ko po sa first time runner, naging first time runner din naman ako. One of the mistakes na nagawa ko dati ay ano kasi ako, size 6 ako sa shoe size. So, yung binili kong running shoe, size 6 din. Mali pala yun. Dapat give it, yes, one size up. Or basta give it, may allowance dapat para ano. Kasi dahil namatay yung buko ko, yun, ganun. So, also yung form mo, I mean, I get how easy running is. Everybody does it. Pero may tamang form ng running. So, ang dami naman yan sa YouTube. Meron yan. So, just look it up. And also, stay hydrated. Importante na lagi kang uminom. Thank you. Thank you. Salamat.
Carbs, before running. This, yeah, it's more before testing. It's more before testing. This is me before running.
Okay.
Okay.
This is Barbie for Tessa, and this is me before running.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Barbie,
Hello.
hi. It's
You
been a
look
while.
good, ah.
Yeah. Thank you. But first off, this is the first ever Sparkle Run.
That's right.
How do you feel that this is actually happening?
I'm so happy kasi if I'm not mistaken, ito yung same ruta na ginawa namin ng mga organizers from Sparkle around Manila din, I think sometime last year. So medyo alam ko na yung ruta nito, and I'm just so happy dahil matagal ko nang narinig to, and I'm so happy na finally finish to ng Sparkle kasi very trending nga ang running ngayon, and ang galing kasi na-incorporate nila yung bonding with fans and yung fitness strength, which is running. And ang dami kasi, a lot of brands also came together for this very special event.
And also, you're participating with your co-stars. How does that feel?
Ang saya! Actually, kagabi nga, magkaka-message kami ni Derek, ni Alden, tsaka ni Christopher. Nagpaplano kami ng kung paano kami magkikita-kita. Pero ang alam ko si Alden, same distance kami ng takbo. So,
Which is the 10K.
yes, ay pati si Derek ko yun.
What did you do to prepare for that? Because that's a very, very long route. No? Hindi siya
Yes.
biro. Kahit lakarin mo yun, napakahirap. But ikaw, you're running it.
Yes.
What did you do to prepare?
Prepare, just I made sure na maganda, malalim, at mahaba-haba ang tulog ko. Importante na maganda ang tulog mo. And ayan, lagi, sabi ko nga kanina, kabibili lang ng tatay ko ng 2 saging. Sa saging tayo bago tumakbo para may energy.
Para hindi ka magka-cramp.
Yes, for potassium and syempre, and good carbs.
Okay. Who among the stars are you looking forward to see later sa run mo?
Sila, actually si Derek, hindi ko pa siya nakikita. Si Alden, nag-usap na kami, magsasabay kaming tumakbo kasi parehas kaming medyo walang enough training for 10K. And ayun, si Christopher, magkikita kami after kasi tumatakbo na siya ngayon, 16K siya ngayon eh. Yun.
Ito na ba yung pinakamalayo?
Sorry po?
Ito na yung pinakamalayo.
Actually, hindi. Ang first and last kong longest distance, yung 16K para kay Alden dun sa Mowel Fund last year. Last May. May din yun, yeah.
Kaya ba?
Kayang, hindi lang kayang i-PR, pero kayang tapusin. Definitely.
Wow.
Para si Sparkle.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, ha?
Thank you.
Alright,
Thank you so much.